Your plant's moisture level is under 30%. Now it's the time to water.
Make sure that your pot has a drainage hole and a saucer. It is best to use rainwater, distilled water, or low-lyme tap water. There are various methods of supplying your plant with water. Method 1. Water evenly around the plant and on the soil until water runs out at the bottom. After an hour, you can remove excess water from the saucer. Method 2. Place the whole pot in a bucket of water. Make sure that the soil does not float out of the pot. Wait until no more bubbles rise, and then you can remove the pot from the bucket and let it drain. Method 3. Shower the plant thoroughly until water runs out the bottom of the pot. You can also shower the leaves, as tropical plants particularly like this. Then leave the plant to drain well before putting it back.
The plant is now well supplied with water. You'll be able to see the results in your moisture graph in a few hours. Let the substrate dry out properly before watering again.